Hi guys, my name is P-Star. I'm a rapper from Nottingham. I just wanted to do a quick review on this Cernucci necklace that I ordered around 5 weeks ago. They said it could take up to 6 weeks. I was a bit nervous last week, but it's actually come 1 week early, which is brilliant. This is how it came in. Excuse the box all being like this. That was the postman's fault because he tried to post it through my letterbox. But anyway, let's open it up. I think I'm opening it up right. Oh no, I'm not. So it's quite nice actually. You just pull it out like this. If the Royal Mail, man, had a flipping broken it. Anyway, so it comes in the box like that. I've got my own Cernucci card. Basically, so let's take this Cernucci card out. It says on here, this card certifies our jewellery complies with the FTC and Jewellery Vigilance Committee standards. So, meaning basically that this is some real good shit. Let's take this bit out of the bubble wrap. Oh, the case feels really nice actually. Shout out to Cernucci. Inside the case, so I've got my rope chain. Let's check the rope chain first. Oh, I've been waiting so long for this. I was literally like jumping up and down when I saw it on my living room floor. Oh, this chain is really nice, guys. This chain is really nice. Like, I haven't got that much of a good lighting right now, but I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this is glistening. This is some real good chain, Cernucci, especially for what I paid for. Like, this is definitely worth it. I must have paid about £1 on it. It was on sale, so you're probably not going to spend the same amount as me, but wow, this is amazing. Like, this is a dream come true, Cernucci. My first ever personalized chain with my name on it, P-Star. Hey, check that out. It's shining. It's shining. We're shining out here. We're shining, guys. We're shining. Now, the next thing is, I've got to get it through here. I'm planning to get a better chain in the future. So I think this should be big enough, the little hoop, to fit a chain in. And to put it together, it's got this little clip thing here, which is very easy to use. Let's put it all together now. Sorry. And there we go. Shout out to Cernucci. This feels really nice. It feels really nice on my neck. And this is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a tiny pendant, but it's actually a really decent size. It's not too big, not too small. Cernucci is perfect. And I'll definitely be ordering from you soon. Thank you.